arrest me.
I may.
I welcome it.
I may. Don't touch me.
I welcome it.
Do not touch me.
You know why I welcome it?
You're under arrest.
You have no right. I want an attorney. And your ass will be sued.
On February 15th, 2024, Sergeant Marsh of the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office responded to a disturbance call at Punta Gorda Airport in Florida, involving an intoxicated passenger arriving on an Allegiant Air flight. The cabin crew had requested law enforcement on landing. The passenger, identified only as Marcy, a Grand Rapids, Michigan resident on vacation, met the sergeant at the gate while visibly intoxicated and demanding a cigarette.
And my ears are plugged.
Step down here. Go ahead, go.
Don't be mean.
I'm not being mean.
Yeah.
I just said,
No.
okay. Here, come with me. We're going to go that way. You have a driver's license?
Do?
You see it?
But I would like you to tell me why.
I will. I'll explain it to you.
I'm just going to apply with bullshit.
All right, come on. Come on. You're in a secure area. Come on. Huh? Come on. Can you what?
Smoke.
No, you can't smoke.
My ears are plugged.
All right, come on. I'm Sergeant Marsh. I work for the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office.
And what is the problem?
You know, I know. Sure, that way.
Dougie,
That way.
go. You started it. Go.
Is this your husband?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me have your ID. Hey, you can go ahead.
No. Not until you tell me.
Okay. Listen, I'm
What
going
is
to
the
arrest
problem?
you if you don't give me your ID.
You have
Plain
no
and
right.
simple.
No right.
Yes.
Actually, you know what?
Drunk.
My son.
your ID.
What? I'm what?
Drunk and disorderly.
Well, that would be from Allegiant, wouldn't it?
Listen, I don't care. I didn't give you the drinks.
I'm not drunk.
Marcy,
No.
give him your
No.
ID.
Give me your ID.
Marcy, just give me your ID and we'll go home. Let's go. Come on.
You go.
No, I'm not.
This all started because of you.
It's nothing to do
Listen.
It did.
Listen, this doesn't have to be that hard. I just need your information.
Exactly right.
Are you his? What's her name?
Marcy.
Spell her first name.
No.
M-A-R-C-Y.
Quit.
Hey,
Go.
Stop it.
No.
Stop.
Arrest me.
I may.
I welcome it.
I may. Don't touch
I
me.
welcome
Do
it.
not touch
Marcy.
me.
You know why I welcome it? Because I have it all on
Okay,
video.
what's her first name?
Marcy.
Spell it.
M-A-R-C-Y.
M-A-R-C what?
Why?
Ma'am.
Stop it.
Stop.
You know what? I've been waiting for
Stop.
5 hours
Stop.
to have a cigarette.
Stop.
Arrest me.
Stop.
Arrest me.
Marcy,
Stop.
stop it. It's
No.
As soon as we
It
get,
all started
as
from
soon,
Well,
hey,
from me, what?
your mouth.
as soon as
Go
we get,
what?
ma'am, as soon as we get this over with, you'll be able to go get your stuff and you'll be able to
we'll
leave.
go home.
But if
Marcy,
I don't even care.
Give me your ID.
No,
Mr.
I'm
Marshall,
not.
just
Sergeant.
Because you know what?
Oh, what's that?
Allegiant,
Sergeant Marsh. What? Do you guys live in Florida?
overserved his
that's
ass
fine.
all night.
That's fine.
Not
That's
mine.
fine. That's fine.
His.
Do you live in Florida?
No, we're
No.
in Michigan.
Okay.
Arrest
Well, I need to identify her, and
No.
I'm not going to let her
Your
go.
ID.
No.
Give her
This
ID,
is
we'll go.
for what?
Would you
Hey,
please
stop
give her
yelling.
Tell me for what?
300 Central copy name and
Would
date
you
of birth.
just give her
No.
ID and
For
we're going
what?
to go?
For
Would you
what?
give
Last
her
name.
the ID?
Hey, stop.
I
Stop.
would like to know
Stop.
what
Right
I
here.
did.
Marcy, come
Hey.
here. Marcy.
Ma'am.
I'm going to have a cigarette.
Ma'am.
I'm going to have a cigarette, or you can arrest
Come
me
over
right
there.
now.
Come over there right
Marcy,
now.
just give
I'm
me
giving
your
you
ID.
your last chance right now.
Marcy.
You have no right to be
Marcy.
doing this.
Yes.
Yes,
I
she
do.
does.
What did I tell me?
You're
what
not
I did.
identifying. You're not identifying yourself.
No, you tell me
Marcy,
why.
give me your goddamn ID. We'll
Shut
go
up.
home.
Stand by.
Marcy.
Tell me why I have to.
Because I just ordered you to. That's
Why
Marcy,
did the plane
Marcy.
say
one
I had
last
to?
chance. One last
Marcy,
chance.
look at me. Marcy,
No,
come here.
take
Just
me in.
leave her be. Leave her be.
Okay, good. Take her.
Give me your ID.
No, take me in. You have no
Okay,
right.
put your stuff down.
You have
Put
no
your
right.
stuff down. Turn around.
That's a
Turn around.
good deal, Marcy. You're an asshole.
You're under arrest.
You didn't even tell me what the problem was.
I explained to you
No, you
3
didn't.
or 4 different
No, you
times.
didn't. You never said
You're-
what the problem was.
They're complaining that you're drunk and disorderly.
Oh, well, they served me.
Okay, I get that they served you.
I hope you're happy.
300 Central. I'm gonna have a white female under arrest
Yep.
here at the airport. Can you have the unit meet me here?
Now can I have a cigarette?
No.
No.
Come on.
You little man syndrome? Is that what it is?
Well, we're going through the airport.
Little man syndrome?
Let's go.
Oh, let's show it off. Woo! Because they overserved me on Allegiant. And I get arrested because they overserved me on Allegiant. Now you want to fucking arrest me? I just got off the goddamn plane. How does that look for Allegiant? Real nice. You're pissing me off. Don't you squeeze my arm like that.
Listen, stop.
Don't.
Stop.
Don't you.
Stop.
Oh, the
Stop.
bruises that will be there? Let go of me. Let
Stop.
go
Stop.
of me. You're being a
Stop.
son of a bitch.
300 402. I'm by my office. I'm trying to bring her through there. She's causing a scene.
I'm causing a scene.
Yeah.
My wrists are being bruised. My arm is being
Stop.
bruised.
Stop. Stop. You are under arrest. Now you're resisting. You are
How
resisting
am I
arrest.
resisting?
Because you are fighting.
How am I fighting you?
You're fighting.
I'm right here against the f***ing door.
So why are you
Am I
hitting the
not
door?
right here against the f***ing door?
Stop.
How am I resisting?
Stop. Stop.
How am I resisting?
Relax.
Stop being
Relax.
a little man person.
Relax.
Think about your wife.
Relax.
Think about your children.
Relax.
All I did was come here for vacation.
Well,
Yeah. Well,
fortunately, you're going to be doing your first part of the vacation in our jail.
yeah, of course, because you're a little man. Can't wait to get in front of that judge. Because my phone is still recording.
That's fine.
And
That's
the
fine.
bruises,
That's fine.
the
And
bruises,
there's no bruises.
oh, there will be in the morning. Oh, really? You really have to hold me like that?
Yes.
Really?
You're pulling away. And your hands are behind your back. I don't want you to fall.
Oh, to fall as you hold me like that.
Yes.
You wait
Can you
till
open the door
those.
so we can go through that way?
You wait.
Yeah.
Wait for those bruises.
She's extremely intoxicated.
Actually, I'm not.
Okay, just relax.
And I'm not going to be alone with him.
Well, it's a good thing I'm here.
No, I'm not.
You're going to go in here.
I'm not going to be alone with him.
going through here, man.
I'm not being alone with you in a room. You've already put the cuffs.
I just need her transported, and
Yeah, we'll take care of it.
I don't even know her name yet.
Don't
She refuses.
handle
Come on,
me.
let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You're under arrest for disorderly intoxication
From what?
and resisting.
From what? The airplane?
Yes.
After
Yes.
they served me.
Yes, ma'am. I get that they served
No,
you.
if that's your
I get-
car.
I get-
no,
it's
I'm
not my
not
car.
going alone with you.
You're not going with me.
I'm not going with him.
You're going with him.
Okay.
I have not searched her.
Oh, search me.
I said I haven't searched you.
The cuffs?
Real quick. Have anything on your person? Anything in your pocket?
You mind if I put this down?
No, I don't want my shit in there.
I'm not
No.
putting it back there. I'm going through your stuff to get your ID.
No, you have no right. I want an attorney. No, I request an attorney. You
Okay.
No,
Have a seat.
hang on. This is wrong.
Sit.
You have no right to go
Sit
through
in
my-
the car.
I said,
The sergeant first removed the subject from the secure airport area where federal authority overlaps state jurisdiction, then identified himself and asked for her driver's license, opening a textbook lawful investigative detention. The subject refused to identify herself and demanded the sergeant first explain what she had done wrong. Florida has no broad stop and identify statute, but the obligation arises once a lawful detention is already in progress. The subject's husband entered the encounter and urged her to comply, treating the situation as one demanding cooperation. The sergeant handled him as a separate party, never extending the investigation to a willing third-party mediator. The sergeant issued repeated, explicit warnings before any arrest. Under Polite v. State, the Resisting Without Violence statute requires the officer to be in the lawful execution of duty and the defendant to knowingly and willfully obstruct it. The subject said, "Arrest me. I welcome it." Under Florida Statute Section 843.02, refusing to identify after a lawful detention can satisfy the obstruction element of resisting an officer without violence. After a final warning, the sergeant initiated handcuffing. The subject did not actively resist, which matters under Graham v. Connor, the Supreme Court's 1989 ruling that force must be proportionate to actual resistance offered. During transport, the subject complained of wrist bruising and insulted the officer. Courts hold that handcuffs causing temporary discomfort are not excessive force, especially when the subject pulls actively against them, as visible on camera. In the office, the subject requested an attorney. Under Miranda v. Arizona, interrogation must cease, but Pennsylvania v. Muniz holds that routine booking questions, including biographical identifiers, fall outside the Miranda definition. The sergeant searched her bag for ID. Under Illinois v. Lafayette, an inventory search of an arrestee's personal effects at the station is a recognized exception to the warrant requirement, and the subject's objection did not invalidate it. A backup deputy arrived, and the subject refused to be alone with the sergeant. He complied, accommodating her objection. This sound, contact, and cover practice prevents professional conduct concerns when a male officer holds a female arrestee. The subject was then transported to the Charlotte County Jail. The most likely charges, based on the sergeant's on-camera statements, are disorderly intoxication and resisting an officer without violence, both Florida misdemeanors. Florida Statute Section 856.011 requires intoxication that endangers others or causes a public disturbance. Blake v. State held profanity alone is insufficient. Here, the in-flight conduct elevates the case meaningfully.
Get in the car.
Are you f***ing kidding me?
No.
You're an asshole. You want to loosen these a little bit?
Sit back.
You.
All right.
You do not.
You have your camera on?
Yeah, I turned on before I got out.
Illegal! Illegal!
I'm trying to find her ID because she won't give me any information. And her husband's here, but he's not exactly any help either. But at least he had enough sense to just go in the airport. 300.
She made her wants valid out of Michigan.
10-4. Can you put her DL number out of Michigan in the call? I can just get it from there.
No.
Miranda Rapids.
Yeah, that was Grand Rapids.
Okay.
I'll let Shelly know. Take care of her people.
Seriously, she's up there right now.
Is she?
Yeah, she went
All
into
right.
Grand Rapids.
You can give her that.
I just came back from Grand Rapids like a month ago.
For real?
Yeah, it's
Well,
a tiny
she said today's the first day of her vacation.
Good. Oh,
Well, I'll be here for a bit.
come on vacation, leave on probation. That would be
Yeah.
second is.
I appreciate you guys.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
Yeah, Marsh, we didn't get that. Heard that came over there that
They asked me to
right,
remove
to
remove her.
Yeah, to meet at the
Yeah.
So SI's coming over. We didn't hear nothing from you at all over the radio, like assistance or nothing like that. So
Oh no, it's just because I called one of them.
Oh, okay.
Because I was just trying to get her information to send her, with her husband, and she's just being so belligerent and drunk and refusing to give me her ID. So I'm gonna go try to find her husband just to let him know real quick.
Okay, SI's gonna call me. They're gonna give me.
Yeah, I'm gonna need to get their information anyway.
Nobody else complained on the plane, but the one stewardess, because she was mad when I said, Don't pull your hair down and shake it like that I have a video of. I want to go to my hotel.
You're going to jail.
Okay. And you know what? Allegiant and your ass will be sued. We come here for vacation and we end up with this?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Come back.
Yeah. Your ass will be sued, I'll tell you that right now.
Sergeant Marsh receives a B. His warnings were clear, his force was proportionate, and his conduct professional. However, Section 856.011, subsection 3, authorizes alternative disposition, which he did not use. The subject receives a D. She refused to identify herself, invited arrest, believing her recording would protect her, and framed her own intoxication as the airline's fault, a civil liability theory that provides no defense to a criminal charge. Lesson 1. After a lawful detention in Florida, refusing to identify yourself is itself the obstruction. Recording is your right, but the camera does not immunize you from arrest, and rarely creates the lawsuit the recording subject expects. Lesson 2. Criminal and civil liability are separate. Being overserved by an airline may support a civil claim, but is no defense to disorderly intoxication. Florida law also lets officers take intoxicated subjects home, worth asking about.